Introducing the much-discounted 3-in-1 breakfast maker, a culinary Swiss Army knife for your kitchen. This black beauty combines a toaster oven, coffee maker, and griddle into one compact unit, perfect for small spaces. Imagine baking pastries, brewing coffee, and grilling sausages all at once. Talk about multitasking. With control knobs and buttons, you can easily adjust settings to your liking. Free shipping and cash on delivery make this an irresistible deal. Get ready to revolutionize your breakfast game with this multifunctional marvel. Brew your morning coffee while your toast gets golden brown. No more juggling appliances. I share as much as possible.